What's up, guys? Got the 1952 Vornado running. Thank you very much to KB as usual. This thing blows cold, like really cold, and it's hot out here too. I'd say it's in the 80s out here now. It's an R12 unit. Can't get over this with these. Looks like it's something that would be found in the car. It's really quiet if you get on the front of it. Centrifugal, both centrifugal blowers and same as dirty though. Got that freed up pretty good. I think some B-series compressor is running silently with the good shock absorbers. Just kind of temperature getting on the back. Good. Good. This unit is running exactly the way it's supposed to. Rigid suction line. The only thing I'm not really sure about, they got this off the condenser side. I'm assuming it's for frost. I don't know, Ken Horan, maybe you can shed a light on that. Is that what this is for? This little coil they have wrapped up in the condenser side. This thing goes all the way into the evaporator. And it is a little warm. This part's cool, but this is warm right here a little bit. So I'm assuming that's what it's for. Maybe it could also be to cool this down and make that run a little bit more efficiently, potentially. I don't know. But man, if you've had the thing installed inside, this would be silent. The only thing I think is kind of dumb on it is that the filter goes after the centrifugal blower, which is great for the coil, but I'm going to have to implement something for the intake too. Because I want to make sure that the condenser is not going to get, or the evaporator is not going to get blocked like it was before. You can see condenser, you can see, there you go, two fan motors. This one has a motor mounted like this with a shaft on either side with two centrifugal blowers. Way cool. So this unit is just badass. It's going to be a much easier restoration than this. This 56 to 59 carrier is going to need some major work. It's going to take a long time. This here, I could probably get this done, I'd say about a week if I was a vet man. There it is on the back again. It does go condensate pretty quickly too. I just wish I could, if I threw the cover on it, I think it'd be real quiet. Yeah, when it comes time for the AC meet, I'll have everything. That's in that B-series if you put it here. That's why the B-series is probably a better compressor. I have it really quick. All your noise is from the condenser fan. Had that installed in the window or the wall with the cover on top. What do we need here? Right here's that nice hum and curve with the evaporator blower. That's badass, ain't it? I'm trying to hit the plastic and not the evaporator, that way you get an idea what the temperature that's coming out actually is. This is a full 3/4 ton unit, so it's 9,000 BTUs. Which with the use of oversized coils, it made it possible. So, show you the front real quick in case you guys are, in case I have a newer viewer here that hasn't seen it already. I'll try to get it out of there without damaging anything. Hang on. That's the, that's gotta go back on eventually. It's all metal. Well, this is plastic, I believe. No, yeah, that's plastic. This is metal. That's the front grille. That's your controls off, ventilate, cool, fresh air and exhaust, dampers. Got a little damage right here, but nothing I can't fix up. The design and detail they put into this is just nothing short of phenomenal. I could probably do something with a filter on the back side of the louvers here. Make it work, either that or just stuff something in behind it so nothing can get sucked into it again. And that'll keep the evaporator clean as well as the centrifugal blowers. And I'm still hoping this unit turns up. The lady I bought that off of also sent me with this. Which is the front grill to the larger version. So I bet they had, to be willing to bet a paycheck that they had 2 of these at one point. Well, no shit, right? This one looks like it had controls on top. All I can say is I hope that it turns up. He's actually let me know if she found it. They're still, I guess they're still cleaning out that house yet, so I really hope it turns up. Well, there's both grills back to back for you if you want to see them. That's really all I gotta say for now. Just wow, this thing runs great. Fresh charge of R12. It's getting sweaty already. Well, that's all I gotta say about that. You can see and hear more about this unit in person at the AC meet in North Jersey next weekend. Peace out, thanks for watching. One more thing, just so you can hear how quiet it is when it's just on. So I got this freed up pretty good too. But yeah, theoretically, if you got that installed right and sealed up properly, that's all you'd hear. Again, see it in person at the AC meet August 6th.